So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude Code to create presentation slides. So what used to take you maybe 2 hours to create professional looking presentation slides now only take like 2 minutes with Claude Code. So let me just jump right into it and show you how it works. So here what you're looking at is my Visual Studio Code. And with my YouTube assistant, I can go to the YouTube presentation skill. And how I'm going to start using it is to just come to the Claude Code chat, type on / YouTube presentation, hit enter, and then the skill is going to run. And then it's going to ask us what is the presentation about. So what's the topic, audience, and any context I should know. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to grab one of my scripts that I have on the topic, how to open a bank account for an anonymous LLC. So this is one of the existing scripts I have. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this. So let me copy this, and I'm going to paste it right here in the chat. And I'm going to answer question number 2, which is which mode? Is it normal, which is full width slides, or is it camera mode, which is when the content is on one side, so you can overlay your camera either on the left side or the right side. So let me go with camera mode, content on the left side. Hit enter. So here we have the script and then our answers to the question, and then it's going to get to work. Hit enter. So while it's working, let me just open this up and show you that in terms of the font and the brand style, everything's customizable. So you can set your own style, your own template, and I'm just going to show you one example of that. So basically we just provide the script, provide the context, and then it's going to get to work. Okay, so I noticed here they are going to create 85 slides. So actually I made a mistake on the instructions. It's going to create too many slides here. That's way too many slides. So how I'm going to correct this is to just tell it to reduce the number of slides. 85 slides is a bit too excessive for this presentation. I think anywhere from 10 to 12 slides would be sufficient. So that's how I'm going to correct it. Basically just talk to it. And then what it's going to do is going to cut this down to a tight 10 to 12 slides version and then rewrite the outline. Okay, so now we are looking at 11 slides. Now it's fetching 2 GIFs and 3 images. Okay, then we have all assets downloaded and it's going to start generating the slides. So here we go. The file is at the workspace. So I can just press Command, click on this link, and that's going to pull this up. So we can right click here, click on Reveal in Finder, and then we can open this up. So here we have the slides, how to open a bank account for an anonymous LLC, step by step, even when your name isn't on the company. So that's the second page, third page, fourth page. So here we have all the slides. So here I think the spacing could be a little bit better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my talking app here, and I'm just going to talk and then record all the requested changes. So for the page number 1, eliminate the M dash. I don't like to use any M dash in my content. For slides number 6, the spacing between documents you need and EIN confirmation letter is too wide, so reduce the spacing. The same for slide 7, between the heading and the main text, there is too much white space. Same thing for slides number 8, and also the same thing for slides number 10. So those are the changes. So what I'm going to do is come back here, just paste it in, and then hit enter. And that's going to make the adjustments right away. Just hit enter. So whatever changes you want, you can just speak into Claude Code, and it's going to make those changes. So the changes are done. Let's take a look. Let's open this up. So here we have the second version. The M dash is eliminated and the spacings are fixed. Everything's looking a lot nicer. So this is how you can use Claude Code to generate presentation slides. And if you want to see more practical use cases of Claude Code, hit the subscribe button, and I hope to see you in the next video.